Hi everyone, today we would like to demonstrate how you can basically scan something on an iPhone 14 series device. So to start off, I think the easiest and quickest and most convenient way to do that is by using the default Notes app. So let's launch it in here. Just let me set it up quickly. Then create a new note or enter any existing one if you would. That doesn't really matter at all. I'll just create a new one. From here, once like the keyboard launches and some other options that you can use while creating the note, just choose the camera option. In this pop-up window, go for the scan documents. Choose what documents you would like to scan. I have this little pathetic piece of paper in front of me, but I guess that will be fine. And then simply place it in the viewfinder. Wait until the system gets it scanned automatically. Let me just do it so the camera catches it. As you can see, it frames it perfectly. From here, you can also scan manually if you'll tap on the shutter button, obviously, but the algorithms of an iOS work really well, so usually it gets automatically scanned way better than you could have like do it manually. So from here, choose what picture you would like to use. Let's say I'll go with the second option since the exposure on it is way better. I'll tap on done right here, save, then remove the unsuccessful scan. And just like so, you have a scanned document right here. From now, you can just long press on it, copy it, for example, or also save it as the separate PDF document, which you can do by opening it, then tapping on this share icon at the top right corner of your screen. In here, choosing the save to files option. As you can see, this document is showing as the PDF format, 250 kilobytes. So let's save it to files, save, and if we'll right now open the files directly, let me find the files app. Here it is. It will be displayed right here as the PDF document, and if you were unlike me scanning some useless piece of paper, but you were using this scan option for document, you'll have a very decently scanned file or document right here, already in the PDF format. So just about perfect, I think. As you can see, it is the PDF document, obviously. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye-bye.